Hey guys, this is Keshafik and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 crashing on PC. So this method actually works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, so wherever the Windows you have, this method will work for you. So I'm gonna first launch my game without the fix, then afterwards I launch the game with the fix, so you see the difference. So let me first launch my game, then I show you. Yeah, here is my game Forza Horizon 4, then I'm gonna launch it. Yeah, so actually the game crashes on the loading screen. Yeah, the last part of the loading screen to the gameplay, that's where the game crashes from. Yeah, and right now I'm launching the game without the fix, so you guys will be able to see the difference. Whether you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, this method will work for you. Actually my game is loading. Yeah, at this point then you start the game, then you continue. Yeah, it's actually loading. That's the point where it crashes from, so I'm gonna show you that point where it crashes from. Because I'd played this game for some time, then it actually started crashing from this very point. Here, this is the loading screen where the game crashes from. So let's wait and see. The game is launching without the fix, remember that. So this is the point where the game actually crashes from, and I'm gonna show you the fix for that. It's gonna black off like by its own self. Yeah, you see, the game has crashed from that very point of loading to the gameplay. So first and foremost, I'm gonna solve that. So first of all, your PC or your laptop should have Bluetooth. So for my case, I come here. For my case has this one. Yeah, you turn on Bluetooth. If you don't have Bluetooth, you should have a Bluetooth dongle. Yeah, you install that USB dongle, Bluetooth dongle to your computer or to your PC. Then you turn on Bluetooth. If you don't have Bluetooth hardware in your PC or your laptop, so after making sure your Bluetooth is turned on, you launch the game again without changing any setting. You launch your game again, but you have to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You have to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then you launch the game again without changing any other setting. Actually the game is loading, but this time around it's loading with the fix rate. Yeah, from this point you started the game. Continue. Remember, we're launching the game for the second time with the fix after turning on Bluetooth. then you launch your game. You have to make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. The game is launching. Yeah, this is the point where the game actually crashed from last time when Bluetooth was off. So, and this time around it's loading when Bluetooth is turned on. This is the point where the game crashes. Usually crashes from. So let's wait as it launches into the gameplay. Forza Horizon 4 on PC. Actually, this is the point where the game has been crashing from. And right now, yeah, boom, we're into the game. We are into the game. We are into the game. After turning on Bluetooth, you have fixed the Forza Horizon 4 PC crashing on loading screen. So I hope this video works for you. Comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So what you have to keep in mind, you have to turn on Bluetooth every time.
There it is, Horizon Lego Valley. What are you waiting for? Instructions?